Raise your hand if you love Barbie. Today at Crafty Hackers, we've got a bunch of cool and modern DIY projects for your Barbie. If you're new to Crafty Hackers, make sure to hit the notification bell to be the first to see our new videos. And if you like this one, give it a thumbs up. Let's jump in. Red dress. For this cool hack, you'll need some red elastic and some red velcro. Ready for a new dress, Barbie? First, cut your elastic into 8 even sections. Measure and cut the velcro to the size of Barbie's back. Now, hot glue the elastic sections along the velcro. Now wrap the elastic sections around Barbie with the velcro strip in the back. Hot glue the strips into place like this. Do this all the way around to the bottom of the dress. Use a chopstick to press down the hot glue until it cools and dries. Adjust the straps so that it looks like a mini dress. Cut the extra elastic in the back. Now Barbie's ready for that party. Denim jacket. For this, copy the pieces of paper here to make your own denim jacket pattern. When you're done, attach the pattern pieces to a piece of old denim. You want to use a piece of denim with seams. You'll want seams on the bottom and just below the shoulder, just like a real jean jacket. You can incorporate your favorite aspects of your denim jackets into Barbie jackets. Mark the denim with tailor's chalk. Cut it out along the lines you traced. It can be hard to cut through the seams, so be careful. Now use the cutout to trace the other side of the jacket. Using the same principle, make the seams appear at the same place on the jacket. Now you've got the front cut out. Let's work on the back. You want to fold the fabric in half to trace this out. Cut along the lines. Now you've got the back of the jacket. Let's give her some sleeves. Trace out the sleeve pattern twice. You're going to roll these up to go around Barbie's arms. Line the fabric up like this. Fold the pieces over together and start sewing. Start with the front section, sewing the shoulder pieces to the back section like this. Now do the other shoulder. Time to add the sleeves. Sew them so that the seams fold towards the inside. Now fold the jacket into place. Turn it inside out and sew the sleeves up. While the jacket is inside out, go ahead and sew up the sides. Now turn the jacket right side out. Let's give it a collar. Make sure you trace along a seam to get that finished look on the collar. We use the bottom of a pocket flap. Sew the collar in place. You can use a belt loop for the back belt of your jacket. Just hot glue it into place. Time for some fun patches. Use whatever inspires you. We love this big B for Barbie. Let's try it on. Add a couple of studs or buttons for a more finished look. Bet you didn't know you could make a jean jacket before now. Way to go. Barbie is so stylish. Bucket bag. For this, you'll need some fun vinyl fabric. Fold one side over and pin it, like this. Apply hot glue along the edge. Fold it and glue it together. Remove the pins. Now do the same on the other side. Fold in the edge and hot glue the edges together. Punch holes in the top corners like this. Fold the bag in half so that the opposite sides are touching, and fold the center piece together. And punch another hole through the center. You should have 4 holes on each side of the purse when you're done. Thread some string through the holes. You can gather the top of the purse together, like this. Use a jewelry chain as the purse strap. Just hot glue the ends to the inside of the bag. Use a chopstick to push the chain into place. Gather the bag closed and tie the string. Cut off the excess string. Now to accessorize. Get some decorative beads. Use a needle to hot glue the end of the string inside the hole in the bead. That is a high fashion bag. Mini burger. Get a medicine dropper or syringe from the medicine cabinet. Take the syringe apart and cut off the top of the inside. Use it as a mini bun cutter. Pierce it through a hamburger bun like this. Cut off the other end and push the bun out with a chopstick. Cut open the bun. Now use your cutter to make some cheese slices. Next, make the patty. Cut out a piece of lunch meat. Slice a small cucumber and a cherry tomato. Top it off with the other piece of cheese and the bun. Use a toothpick to hold it all together. Use a makeup lid as a plate and cut out some tiny napkins. That is one impressive burger. Hair comb. Use an old mascara wand and cut off the end. Hot glue a pearl to the end. And brush all the tangles away. And those are our cool and modern DIYs for your Barbie. Thanks for watching Crafty Hackers. Please subscribe to our channel for more hacks. See you later!